Good morning to everyone. My name is Pranjit.
Myself Yashash Nayak of 8th from SJR Kengeri Public School.
Today we are going to make an innovative project known as IINRR. The full form of this is Innovative Indian National Railway Robot.
So, the components required for this is arduino uno, ultrasonic sensors, breadboard, LED lights and some jumper wires. The advantage of this is it prevents from loss of life and it helps in developing the railway services and avoids crowd.
Ultrasonic sensors, jumper wires, this is LEDs and this is breadboard, this is Arduino Nano, this is LCD.
Yes.
When train goes back,